Okay, just started a search engine. Type in grammar revolution. Open it up. Up here at the top, go to Welcome, then Learning Grammar. That's the page you want to be on. 5 steps for learning grammar. You can start with that video. Read the sort of intro testimonials. It makes sense. Then you'll see several steps, each of them with a so-called action step. Here's to the parts of speech. Going through each one of them with links. Another video. Okay, I'm going to go back. That's the step 1, learn the parts of speech. Then this is about basic sentence structure and sentence diagramming, what a sentence is. Okay, another action step. Phrases, clauses, and so on.